The sounds of love fill the air, friends and family are there, gathered all around us, childhood memories are shared. It's only for a season, so we cherish it now, but at this time of year.
Hey, it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. All right, y'all, welcome to another video. And in today's video, I'm doing something really special. So I am partnering with MSBLUE's Jewelry, and they have sent me some pieces from their Blue Goes Pink limited edition Breast Cancer Awareness Month line. Y'all know I gotta show y'all what it's looking like. I cannot wait to show y'all these beautiful pieces they have sent me. They are so special and so pretty, and I just cannot wait to show y'all. Let's hop into it. This is what MSBLUE sent me. I have two pieces that I'm going to show y'all. They sent it in this lovely packaging. It's so cute. The breast cancer awareness sign, and then it just says blue for pink, MSBLUE at the bottom. I really love that they did this limited edition line for breast cancer awareness. I think that is so special, and 100% of the proceeds are going to organizations that support breast cancer awareness, and I think that is very important, and I think that is very amazing. I have two pieces. So I have a bracelet and a necklace. So this is the boxes, and it's just a mix of the pink and blue for Blue Goes Pink for breast cancer awareness, and I think that's really cute. Before I get into this, y'all, they sent a note in the bag as well, and I definitely want to read it to y'all. So the note reads, "Just as a rose blooms from a bud, so does your strength and beauty shine through the toughest times. In this journey, you've shown us the power of love, unity, and unwavering determination. Your heart is a testament to the incredible strength within you, MSBLUE." I really love that, y'all. Just shout out to all of the breast cancer warriors and survivors all over the world on this last day of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. But outside of October, breast cancer awareness is very important, and we should be aware every single day. Let's see this jewelry. So everything that came in this bag is the jewelry, the note, and then it also came with a little dust bag with MSBLUE on it. I really like this. This is so cute. And then it also came with like a little dust cloth. Everything is branded and really pretty, really cute. So the first piece I'm gonna show you guys is the necklace, and the two particular pieces that I picked, the name of them are Faith Over Fear. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the necklace. It's so pretty, y'all. This is beautiful. I love this. It is pink, and this is rose gold, and see if y'all can see pink rhinestones inside, and I think that's really cute. I hope y'all can see that. I'm gonna try it on so y'all can see it better. And I just love when beauty meets impact, because this is so good. So everything that they are selling from this limited edition is going 100% profits going to breast cancer awareness organizations. So yeah, this is the necklace. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the bracelet, and then I want to try them on so y'all can see how they look. So the bracelet has the same faith over fear as well, and it has the same message on the inside. And this one also has the breast cancer ribbon on it as well, and it's adjustable just like the regular little clip. Yeah, I think that's so pretty, y'all. So let me go ahead and show y'all how they look on. Y'all, you can wear this every day. It's super casual. You could dress this up or dress it down. Wear it how you like, but this would be the perfect gift. Holiday season is coming up. This would be the perfect gift for a survivor or a warrior that you may know. So make sure you use my discount code, because you can save some money on this today. All right, y'all, so this is how the bracelet looks. It's really pretty too. It's adjustable as well, so you can switch it. You can wear it loose or you can wear it tight. It also has those pink gems as well. It's really pretty, y'all. It looks even better in person. So go ahead and get yours today. Like, y'all, this is super cute. It's so important. All right, y'all, so those are the pieces. Like I said, the bracelet and the necklace are really pretty. I really love them, and like I said, this would be a nice gift for you to give to a survivor or a warrior, or if you are a survivor or warrior and you want this, go ahead and place your order. This is super cute. I really love it. Like I said, use my discount code to get some money off today. And I just, yeah, shout out to MSBLUE for going pink for October, and I am really happy that I got to do this collaboration with them. So yes, I'll make sure I put all the details and links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed these pieces. And again, make sure you use my code so you can save some money off today on your order. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and place your order. See y'all next time. Bye.